I can't remember the last time I visited a barber shop. In my teenage years, maybe? We're talking about when Ronald Reagan was still in office. So I'm pretty experienced in cutting my own hair. And if you intend on doing the same, it's always advisable to get a very solid pair of clippers. So that's where the Wahl Super Taper hair clipper comes in. It comes in this box. You open it up. You get some instruction manual, some warranty card, a comb. The inners came already destroyed, so that wasn't cool from Wahl, but hey, whatever. You get enough attachment from 1 to 4, I guess, and a lubricant, a tiny little blade brush, and now to the clipper. The clipper has this little red thing to protect the blade from crushing. If you're going with a corded version, you get a 2 meters long cord. Because this particular model has a cordless version as well. So I thought I'd slide that in. So I'm just gonna prep these clippers for its first use. So stick around to see me give myself a haircut. So go ahead and pop the lubricant. And you just want to put a drop on both sides of the blade, in the middle, and on the sides when the upper and the lower blade meet. Now you want to work it.
Work it. If you got a big, let me search it.
And you want to work it properly using the side adjuster. Now plug the clipper and work it some more.
Let me work it.
And when you're done working it, wipe the excess oil off with a clean rag. I was too lazy to capture it on camera, but wipe yours off. That's all that matters. I might have missed capturing cutting off the side hair, but hey, the proof is in the pudding. This unit works pretty smooth. I'm freaking impressed. This is the clipper that I've been missing all my life. You will say it probably didn't do a great job shaping my edges, but hey, it made yours truly look more handsome than I was at the beginning of the video. So links in the description in case you want to pick one of these bad boys up. And I'm Sir K saying adios, and I'll see you in the next video.